In this video, we're going to go over a concept related to sales, also kind of scripts or customer relations. Really, it's all about the choices that we present to customers, and it contributes to a concept called choice overload. So, overload, you've related to this in your experience, on your everyday shopping experience. You probably see a difference between the choice sets presented at different types of stores. If you go to Trader Joe's, they're going to give you a couple options that are really good quality. If you go to Walmart, you're going to be flooded with too many options, and oftentimes that presentation of those options can contribute to choice overload. So choice overload simply is too many choices leading to decision fatigue. So that could be feelings of anxiety or stress, emotional distress, analysis paralysis, reduced satisfaction, reduced happiness. All those feelings can come or derive from, receiving too many options and the mental burden of having to consider all those options. Okay, more or less, it's because of the cognitive load of considering the option set that you're presented with. So, the choice overload, that principle, has applications on how we present quotes or options, how we present options during quotes, sales pitches, forced close. This is just a really good concept to be aware of when you're conducting sales, doing any sort of customer relations, using any scripts. Just try to keep this principle in mind of choice overload when presenting those things, so you can make sure that the option set that you're giving the customer is digestible, understandable, and actionable. Okay, and they're not going to be inundated with too many options, and that leads to the feeling of overwhelm and them not making a decision altogether. We want to give them a few options that are good quality that they choose from. That if they choose any of them, they're going to win. We're going to support their option or their selection. So that's more or less the concept of choice overload. Just don't overwhelm the customer with too many options.